Iti karita gundaway gagayem kaya na kaabsat ket intay amwen na kani Mayor Edward Boyet kilala dagiti na dumaduma nga aktibidades iti karitoy Centennial Celebration ti Curimaw, Ilocos Norte.
Kinapaisoan na we were not really able to prepare. Usually this kind of celebrations, it takes a year to prepare, no? But because of the pandemic, hindi namin masyado nakapag-prepare. To be honest, nagdesidir kam lang ag-celebrate idi January 4, the first day of the month, first working day of the month. So it's quite difficult. Una-una, we cannot even solicit, di ba? It's very very sensitive ag solicit itata, lalo dagay lahat naman apektado ng pandemic, mga businesses, mga trabaho. But still, despite that, may mga nag-volunteer naman na nagpakita na tulong, not just here, not just in the Philippines, not just the businesses of Curimaw, but dagiti kakailyan mi nga taga states, uno dagiti taga sabali nga so I mean we're lucky, may mga tumulong pa rin.
So ano ti highlights na today's celebration sa
my personal favorite, it's not really siguro the highlight, but my personal favorite is we have six quadriplegic. When you say quadriplegic, dagiti naka-wheelchair nga ubing. To tell you frankly, I don't even know if they still have yung sense nga, you know, parang siguro yan ibibigyan namin sila ng ng kama, pillows, electric fan, transistor radio, bigas, groceries, and things, no, yung kasi para lang to make their lives a little more comfortable at least. So yan that's my personal favorite. But other than that, we have yung cleanest, greenest barangay, the awarding tea. We also have a cook-off, the seafood nga agapo Curimaw. We have the bicycle for a cause, which I don't know, right now I think so far we have already registered 400 to 450 participants. And according to some yung mga nag-organize dito, that's quite a lot. Parang siguro one of the biggest event na mapasamak for at least for this year so far. Adamot DJ motor racing na 200-meter drag race, which will be held in a bypass road. Ito'y Barangay Paguludan. It's a new road, maganda naman, and I think it's safe. Pinakita ka ng organizers if it's safe, okay naman daw. Sabi niya, this is first week of Feb, and yun, may search for balasang ti Curimaw. We have a search on Sunday. Sunday. I'm not sure about the day, no. Tapos may talent show rin, and we are to distribute parang grocery bags for the seniors. When I say seniors, like 80 years old and above. So yun lang. I think sabi ko nga noon when we decided to pursue yung itong event nga ito, sabi ko let's keep it simple but siguro meaningful na adan to pakalaglagipan ba ti kakailian on our 100th year foundation day. This is what we did, mga ganon.
in-approve ba the IATF the disciplinary celebration?
I sought the permission from the governor, and ano naman there was a promise na on my part nga we will maintain yung health protocols. We don't really have a problem kasi bukod sa police force namin dito, we sought augmentation force from the probinsya. Tapos we have Coast Guard nga nagpa-assister kami. There are about 22 personnel. We have the Bureau of Fire Department nga nag-volunteer damot. At dapat the Maritime that's another 10-11 personnel. And also the Army, the Philippine Army.
So, sir, limited to, dagiti agatendar ka, dagiti nadakamat nga.
Yes. Actually, naka-live stream kami, so we encourage everyone kung maaari, wag nang pumunta dito. Anyway, they can just watch through live streaming. Anything else?
Message mo, sir, for this 100 years to the...
Yung theme namin is oneness and unity. Although it's very important that we honor the milestone nga napasama kita pero importante rin na we have to look forward nga masapol, like I said, yung Corimao agkay sa dapat united, tapno na alam mo yon, yung mas progressive, di ba, mas and yun